I was used to us having to bear a lot more responsibility for the project management, the configuration of the project, the specifications, those kinds of things. ITEL shouldered a good deal of that responsibility. And at times I was concerned because I wasn't seeing that data, or I wasn't being asked or being encumbered to do more work in that regard. And I was a bit of a doubting Thomas through the process, going, I'm just waiting for the other shoe to fall here, and we're going to start over or miss a date, or something big's going to happen here. And it didn't. Everything was pretty much as planned. And it wasn't a simple job, because we had a very tight time frame, and they had to actually put a temporary configuration in place, which was a number of daisy-chained ADSL lines to give us enough bandwidth until they could acquire the previous fiber that came into the building under the ITEL banner, and then do the work that needed to be done technically to take that line and give it the throughput that was required. So we were operating on, I think, a fairly innovative solution of old technology banded together and nursed along by the ITEL team, so that at our user end and at our customer end, they really didn't know that we were in that mode during that interim period. And it performed. I mean, when you think of how we put that solution together with, some hardware, some software, some wireless config, some was wired through ADSL, some was a hub, and we put it all together and got it through one router, and we're able to manufacture sufficient bandwidth in that environment. It's actually pretty amazing. And that was the commitment that when ITEL demonstrated that commitment to see us get to hit a date that wasn't their date, it was thrust upon them by our circumstance, that I thought, yeah, we're in a good relationship.